This is a short video covering the download, installation, and licensing for the Trademarkers program. Once you've opened the Google Drive location in the welcome email, you'll see we have a PDF document containing some tips on using the program. We have a Trademarkers, Smart Trademarkers 7 and a Smart Trademarkers 8 zip file. These are for NinjaTrader 7 and NinjaTrader 8 respectively. We will be using NinjaTrader 7 for our installation, so I will right click and download. Should only take a few seconds, and once that is on your computer, it should be in the downloads folder. We will bring NinjaTrader over, and as with any indicator in NinjaTrader, we will do utilities, import NinjaScript, and navigate to that downloads folder right here, and select and open. Alright, our NinjaScript has been successfully imported and it will now be available. If you have not already provided your licensing information, we'll need your machine ID to activate that. You can locate that by going to Help, About, and sending this string right here, machine ID. That's what needs to be used to license your version. Next, we'll open up a chart and apply it. Okay, now we have our chart selected. As with any indicator, go to Indicators, locate Smart Trademarkers, double click, and click OK. And once it's loaded successfully, you'll have 5 buttons added to the toolbar. These are for adding a buy trademarker, sell trademarker, deleting trademarkers on the chart, refreshing or updating the P&L information, and opening our output form. In subsequent videos, we will get into more detail on what each of these do and the settings behind those. Alright,